With all my heart, I take care of my family, my community, other families and communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am devotion.
There are 3 areas critical to the success of the Black community in Africa as well as the African diaspora. They are culture, education, and economics. In this video series, we continue to examine issues and concepts related to culture, which those who care about the Black community may examine and consider. Again, let's define culture. The term culture comes from the word cultivate, which is related to the domestication and growth of plants. But culture is about civilizing people. This is done by establishing universal laws and standards of behavior based upon the principle, do good, do no harm. We call the universal principles the guiding principles of peace and unity. It is an ethical, moral framework that says, do good, do no harm to others. With that as its foundation, culture will 1, prepare you for life, 2, foster your growth, and 3, improve you as a person and a community. You can watch our previous videos on why we need culture and how it helps us create civilization. You can get a copy of the Guiding Principles of Peace and Unity at our website, thegppu.org. That's thegppu.org. People have been telling me I've been giving it to you wrong in the past, so I want to make sure I got it right. We will show you how to live according to the guiding principles of peace and unity each day. I am devotion is one of the guiding principles of peace and unity. It is also the theme of today's broadcast. There are many ways to live the I am devotion lifestyle, activities that you can do for others, use for yourself, and use to support others. That is how you live and become I am devotion. I am devotion cool. What follows shows you one way to become I am devotion. Do good, do no harm.
Definitely focus on human rights and childbirth. It was always my intention to work in the community, with the community, and to train and teach and make sure that folks who are working with our community know how to do that really thoughtfully. I have a nonprofit called Diversity Uplifts. We support a lot of advocacy and education, again, for community-based hospital systems, government, anybody that's touching, the most marginalized folks are people that we want to have an influence on their minds and the way that they approach services to our communities. And one of the areas where that's really been focused on is the support of doulas, community-based individuals that support families in their birthing process. And so a lot of work around that and policy advocacy and anything I can get my hands on that'll help the system and make it better for all of us.